Here we have a Bosch Vero Cafe coffee machine. Looks very nice. Separate water tank. A coffee beans. Easy to fill. You can put ground coffee in here. It has different displays options on it. It's got large cup, small cup, 2 small cups, a large cup. It has a setting for your aroma, so you can have very mild to very strong. It has a calcium clean, so it cleans the coffee machine out after use. Let's see it in action. You put your cup on the stand and press start. Very nice constant flow of coffee. There we have a lovely cup of coffee. Now inside this side compartment is where the ground coffee goes, but you can remove this, easy to clean. And to clean inside you need to take the machine part out and rinse it out. It has a drip tray which is removable by just pulling on it and it comes out. And there is your ground coffee used. It has a milk frother which all you do is put your milk in your cup, pull the frother out and it froths your milk instantly. There we go, there's my review of the Bosch Vero Cafe coffee machine. Thank you.